Find past simple. I found me dates under the couch. Present simple. She finds interesting books to unread. Participle. We have found the solution to the problem. Free. Past simple. They freed the country during the war. Present simple. Many animals free from danger. Past participle. The villagers have freed their homes. Free. Past simple. The we free troops the sky yesterday. Present simple. We and fly to different cities for work. Past participle. Hi, I have flown to many countries. For with past simple. My parents forbade me from going out last night. Present simple. The teacher forbids cheating during exams. I'm sorry, exams. Past participle. The having forbidden me to spike. Forget past simple. I forgot me dates at home. Present simple. She forgets to call me something. Past participle. I have forgotten her birthday. Forgive. Past simple. He forgive her for being late. Present simple. I forgive you for the mistake. Past participle. She has forgiven him for the for words. Freezing. Past simple. The like froze during the winter. Present simple. The water freezes when it's cold enough. Past participle. The food has frozen in the freezer.